In today's video, I will show you how to make passive income with YouTube and ChatGPT. I'll share with you the key to success that sets apart the 2% who succeed on YouTube from the other 98% who don't. And I'll take you through the entire process step by step to achieve maximum results quickly. So, if you're interested in making passive income, keep watching until the end, because I promise, this video will contain valuable information that no one tells you. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me produce more videos and provide more valuable information. Now let's get started. The biggest mistake that 98% are making is not asking, what does YouTube want? And what type of content are people searching for? Our ultimate goal is to have YouTube promote our videos. After all, more views mean more earnings. If we create a video about a running elephant with pink shoes, probably no one will be searching for it. Therefore, we won't get views. But what if we do the opposite? Before creating a video, we want to check what content people are actually searching for. By doing so, we can provide them with answers to their problems. Consequently, YouTube will show our video to those who have searched for it, and we'll gain more views. It's not about randomly uploading videos and hoping for success. We always strive to be one step ahead of everyone else. You may be wondering how to find out what people are searching for. There are several different methods. You can start by typing "how to" in the search bar to see what people usually search for. Additionally, you can gradually add letters one by one to see more results. Another method is to check the comments on other videos. If someone has a question, chances are others have the same question too. Once you've identified what people are searching for, you can create a video based on those insights. It's all about finding the gap and filling it. If you'd like me to create a full video that offers more information on how to execute this effectively, let me know in the comments below. Just be mindful of avoiding topics with excessive competition. Personally, I utilize TubeBuddy to check for varying levels of competition among different topics. Now, let's try to search for how to use ChatGPT to make money. We can see that it scores 100 and 100. TubeBuddy also mentions, even though there is some competition, the search volume is high enough to make this a great keyword to target. Perfect. This is the key to succeeding and growing your channel faster. Choose a niche with high demand and create videos that align with what people are actively searching for. Don't skip this step, as it is what sets you apart from the rest, by working smarter, not harder. Once you've found a great video idea, let's ask ChatGPT to write a script for us. ChatGPT will generate a detailed script automatically. If you don't like the first result, you can ask him to rewrite it until you're satisfied. At this point, we are only a few minutes in and we already got an idea and a ready script. Now it comes time to actually make the video. You can use any editing software you prefer. I suggest trying InVideo because you can do everything with their free plan. However, if you want to significantly enhance your video quality and access more essential tools, they also offer a paid plan. I recommend starting with the free plan. But if you're committed to succeeding and won't give up, investing in the paid plan will be beneficial. Basically, you'll be able to create better videos, but that's up to you. Now, let's go through the steps to create your video. First, click on Create New, then select Editor. For YouTube videos, choose the landscape option since it has the appropriate dimensions. Once you're in the editor, click on Images and choose any photo. Don't worry, we'll delete it later, and extend the image's duration to match how long you think the video will be. Here you can see how long is your video. Next, click on Voice Over and select the option for Automated Text-to-Speech. Simply copy the entire script from ChatGPT and paste it directly into this section. Choose a voice that you like, and it will generate a complete voiceover for your video. Once we have the voiceover ready, it's time to add the actual media, which is the fun part. Click on Videos and choose the footage you want to include. Keep in mind that the paid plan offers more options, but even the free plan provides plenty of videos to choose from. Listen for the first sentence in the script and find a video that matches it. Once you find the footage you like, simply click the plus button to add it to your timeline. Now we just need to continue adding footage one by one. Listen to the script and find the right videos to add as you progress. All right, now that we have added a bunch of videos, we're technically done. However, to get more views, we'll make it more exciting and engaging. Let's add some text. To do this, simply choose a text template and drag it to different points in the video. Edit the text to match your video content. The last step is to add music. click on Music and listen to the available options. When you find something you like, click the plus button to add it to your timeline. You can also add transitions, overlays, and various elements to enhance your video. Feel free to get as creative as you want. Once you're done, you're going to end with something like this.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into something really cool, making money with ChatGPT.
So that's a pretty good video. I'm happy with this video. Now we have 2 remaining tasks, creating a thumbnail and writing a description. To create an appealing thumbnail, we can use Canva, which offers both free and paid plans. First, click on Create a Design and choose YouTube Thumbnail. This will generate a new blank design with the recommended size of 1280 pixels by 720 pixels for YouTube thumbnails. Now let your creativity work. Keep the design simple, yet intriguing. The most important aspect is to create curiosity that compels the audience to click on the video. Add a background, subtitles, and other elements that enhance the visual appeal. And boom, we've got our thumbnail ready. To create the video description, we'll use vidIQ. Visit their website and click on AI Coach. Then, provide a brief explanation of what your video is about. Wait a few seconds for the result, and there you have it, an awesome description generated by the AI Coach. Now we have a title, a video, a thumbnail, and a description. Feel free to explore and try out all the platforms I mentioned. You can find the links to them in the video description. Now, the final step is to upload your video to YouTube. Keep in mind that the steps I demonstrated in the video are the simplest way to create videos for YouTube. However, to improve and become more professional, you'll need to gain experience and develop your skills. Now, you may be wondering how to turn this into passive income. The answer is simple. Outsource everything and put things on autopilot. Don't worry, it's not as difficult as it sounds. Initially, you'll need to put in some effort and create your first stream of income. Once you start making money, you can gradually build a team and assign specific roles to each member. Teach them step by step what you do and let them handle the tasks just like you do. With a well-functioning team, everything will run smoothly like clockwork. It's an asset that you need to build, but if you do it correctly and intelligently, you will succeed. Just think about the endless number of YouTube channels you can create. The possibilities are limitless. Remember, without taking action, nothing will change. Start taking action instead of just thinking about it. I believe in you. That was it for today's video. If you'd like me to share more methods like this or explain anything further, let me know in the comments below this video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel as this helps me to produce more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. The Guru.